This video shows how to make a cam assembly in ProE. First we open a new file. Let's check, this is the part 1 for the cam assembly file. We have to make this part. Take a front plane, then sketch, make a rectangle of 50 by 100. We have make the sketch as per the dimensions. Then okay, giving the depth is the 5 mm. This is we save the part 1. Now we have to make a new part. This is the part 2. It's a cam pin. The dimension of cam pin is shows here. Once again, extrude placement defined, taking a front plane and making a circle with the dimension of 10 and giving the z direction value 20 mm. Okay, now we have to make a key in on the this pin plane. Sketch, taking reference of outer circle of this pin, and now making a key of by a square of 2 by 2. Flipping the direction of extrude, the dimension of extrude is 10. And then okay, and also save this part. Now we have to make a third part, is a cam. The dimension is shown here. There is basically a combination of two circles. Now we are taking a new part file, then extrude, placement, define, taking a front plane as a sketch plane, then sketch. There is a we have approaching like a two circle. The upper circle die is 10 and lower circle die is 20. This is the bigger circle and this is the smaller circle, and now I'm giving the dimension of both of them. This is the 20 and this is the 15, and the center distance between both the circle is 15. Now I have to make a line goes tangent through smaller circle. A small t shows that this line is a tangent at this circle at this point. Now like this is the other end. Now I have to remove extra lines by the trimming option. Now I am making a hole for a key pin, dimension 10, and also making the key slot here so the key is fit with the cam. It's a 2 by 2. Now trimming the extra lines, then okay. Giving the depth is 5. Then okay, now we have make all these three parts and you can see it there is a shows one edge. Now this I explain this edge in the final assembly of cam follower. Now making open a new assembly file. Now we have to insert a component by clicking on this tab. Now I have to check which of my part we have to check by preview. This is the base plate of part, and how this is imported in the assembly is the first base part. So I have to fix this component in the assembly by using a default constraint. Now this is the fully constrained, and is the color of the component is changed and status is also fully constrained, then okay. Now insert or call a new component is a key. I have to insert this key in this hole. And there is a lots of option or a constraint available to use the combination of different constraint to assemble this key with base plate. There is some user defined already defined kinematics links. We have to use pin joint to assemble this because we wanted 1 degree of freedom. There is a 1 degree of freedom means we want to rotate this pin. First we give axis alignment, then we control a translation by selecting this surface and this surface of base plate. Now the connection definition is complete. We see the color of pin is changed, and the status also shows connection definition complete. Then okay. Now we have to check our main purpose is pin is rotating or not by using the drag tool, clicking on any edge and giving the mouse rotation. Yes, our key is rotating. And also check the translation motion. Yeah, there is no translation motion, only a rotation motion. Now we have to call a third part is a cam. How we have this is a cam. Now I have to assemble this cam onto this pin with the key slot available in the cam. Now there are also lots of combination we can use to fully constrain this cam. We are using some of them. Yeah, I'm using a one mate, one align, and again a third one is mate, but this is a partial constraint. I'm not fulfilled this time. And for this, so I have delete all three. I'm using another one, just just like inserting this cam on the pin. Now just taking the inner, first we select the component surface is the inner circle of the cam, and then the outer circle of the pin. Now this pin is inserted on the cam is inserted on the pin. Now I have to select one key surface align with the pin key, and giving the angle offset is approximate 180 to fixing properly. And last we have align the surfaces of key and cam. The component is fully constrained, the color of component is changed, and we use insert mate align and align constraint to assemble this key on the pin. Then done. Now we have to check the our cam is rotating or not. We are using by the drag tool. Yes, the cam is rotating.